Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today. Started off a little bit rough, but definitely had a nice recovery. And this isn't really an update, but more so probably confirmation would be an accurate term. But for those of you that have watched the videos I've done in the past, hopefully remember me talking about $3 time and time again as a level of support represented by that green line there. And you can see not only today, but even yesterday, the price has done a great job of maintaining above that area, including the first 30 minutes. You can see with the gap down, got right down to right around that $3 area. And then, like I've already pointed out, had a very nice upwards move and basically just bounced the remainder of the day. You had the final 30 minutes here, volume kicked back in highest all day, and you had a red candle. But still, that's just one 30-minute section. When you look at many 30-minute sections, which is what we're doing here, overall the price recovered very nicely. But that's kind of just a long way of saying $3 is an area of support that you would want to see act as support, and it did indeed act as support. So far, so good in regards to that $3 mark. Definitely been confirmed after today as an important level as far as the overall technical chart is concerned. If that level can't hold, then the next key level is 285. But as I say that, I'm getting way too far ahead of myself because the price isn't even close right now to testing $3. But nonetheless, I mentioned it. So 285 would be that next level of 3. But I self-admittedly, that level really doesn't matter. In fact, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to get rid of it for now because, yeah, it's really that irrelevant right now. But regardless, on the flip side of things, we've identified levels of support. But what about levels of resistance? So if this movement upwards is going to continue, where are some of these key levels of resistance at? So red for resistance. And the first key level is just simply where the price is struggling with right now. Sits right here at $3.20, which makes pretty good sense when you go back in the history of things and you can see the price struggled with it there. So once again, the price is struggling. Not saying the price can't break above that area, just saying, it makes sense why the price is currently, having a little bit of a difficult time up around that area. In the event the price can push up through the 320 mark, the next key overall level of resistance would be up there at that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the 200 period moving average. So all in all, good solid movement today. Nice overall price action, and we'll see if the bulls can finally get the breakout of $3.20 or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.